a skank in the dance, everyone. Them just a rock and come on, just a skank in the dance, everyone.
You're welcome.
Some drinking hot beer and some drinking stout, yeah. And who not have a bottle, him have a spliff in his mouth. Some man not even talk, him just a rock it with him down.
Are you feeling irate?
And if a man can't buy a juice, him a go drink ice water.
What?
Them just a rock and come on, just a skank in the dance, everyone. Them just a rock and come on, just a skank in the dance, everyone. Yeah. Them just a rock and come on, just a skank in the dance, everyone. Them just a rock and come on, just a skank in the dance, everyone.
Yeah. All right. We say, hey. They call me the legendary
DJ Fizz. Kali Wow.
Got this feeling down deep in my soul and I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way.
Kama ndio umeingia mse, stick with us here.
Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end.
Cause I'm on my way. Hey. What? Kama umeingia live na hujahit hiyo subscription hapo ama like, say fanya kazi.
Stuck on you, been a fool too long. I guess it's time for me to come on. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see, and that a woman like you can wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stay. Report to me. There's some questions you have to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me. Passed by you out this morning at 2:45, but you weren't there. No way to welcome me.
If you love reggae songs,
This matter seriously.
hey.
So make sure you get in touch with me. After you read this note, then you know this ain't no joke. So report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter.
Now we've been dating for about 5 years. We shared good times, but we both had fears. Don't really know where I stand or belong.
DJ Fizz. Kali Wow.
Another day, another week, another month turns to another year. I'm holding on, but
Party manze. It's on a Friday, we make love.
you gotta show me there's a future.
Angalia dem kando yako mwambie.
Show me something. 'Cause I'm about ready.
Mwambie step up.
I need you to step up and show me a plan. I don't need a boy, I need a man. I need you to step up to prove that you care. Come and put a ring up on my hand. I need you to step up. I need you to step up, step up. I need you to step up, step up. I need you to step up, step up.
Welcome to Generation X.
There's a future in this. You gotta show me something. It's now or never. You gotta show me there's a future in this. You gotta show me something. I need to know right now, 'cause I ain't gonna be here sitting around waiting. I have come to You showed me you want me to stay. I think it's time for us to go our separate ways. Gave you so many good years of my life. I think it's only right for you to make me your wife. You gotta show me there's a future. You gotta show me some love.
Only Rasta can liberate the people over hills and valleys too.
Ikibamba sana wabikelele. Welcome to Sky Cable Reggae Vibes. Hey,
Rasta can liberate the people
Sema.
over hills and
DJ
valleys too.
Fizz,
Don't let
Kaliwao.
them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that
The
they
hills and valleys.
are free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute they don't like you. Why try to make I unhappy? Really, I don't know. If it was up to them, my
Mombi Ate.
never see the sun or the snow. Through that mystical communication we did, we keep on coming together. I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That's the way it should be, not contrary. Stop tearing down each other. Only Rasta free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you.
Are you ready for the next song? Are you ready?
Minute that they are with you, shall free the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute that from Zion I see.
Sema.
Ready to rock. We are the rockers.
Kwa warasta wote.
We're ready to rock.
Everybody Coco. Ko.
Sing Coco the rock.
DJ Fizz, Kaliwao.
Coco ni Rasta.
Coco the rock. Coco, it's Coco the Rasta. Somebody is working out the sound system. Say, got your rhythm. Moving through.
Sorry bana. Shida ya mitambo kiasi jo, lakini si tutasota usio. Yeah, but tukianzanga tunasema ni aje, each and every time as we continue doing this, we have to make everything the best. Kama hujafinya pale share, mazi share to all groups. My name is DJ Fizz, and as we continue, yeah, wanze naomba tu kila kitu itakuwa fiti. As you can hear, kuna shida ya mitambo kidogo, sauti kidogo imetuletea matatanishi, au sio? But kutaendaje? We good. Yeah.
DJ Fizz, Kaliwao.
Rastaman never dies. Hata mitambo ileta shida tunasonga nayo.
Rockin' rocker from Zion I see.
Sema.
Get ready to rock. We are the rockers from Zion every coast. We're ready to rock.
Hey, I
We
say,
sing Coco the rock.
Coco. Hey, Coco ni Rasta.
Coco the rock.
On the ones and twos is
Yeah.
DJ Fizz.
Cheki. Wacha niwaambie story kidogo mitambo zikitengenezwa au sio? Alright, today tumeamua kufanya reggae vibes hapa Sky Cable TV and everything we do manze it's for ja au sio? Because of hizi mitambo zinaleta, wacha tuone. Yeah, bado zinashughulikiwa kidogo. We have nothing much to say. So we'll have a short break alafu si tutarudi tuone kunaendaje. Yeah, thank you.
Mari na gikeno makiria andu aria aganu no kugacira maragacira nie ngwenda muthikiriria wakwa tuko turi group-ini ya andu aya akeri aya maragia ndeto cia mwathani mahoreire aya matangiambiriria kwaria ndeto nyingi matambite gwiciria wega haha turi turaria turi ithuiki aca tu presence ya Ngai ri haha Ngai ri haha hamwe na ithui roho wa Ngai ri haha hamwe na ithui ni tugika let us guard our tongue rekei tukiaria maundu matukwaria twitigire Ngai tondu mandiko marauga aria metigirite Ngai andu aya matatigirite Ngai ni maregenyukaga ni mariaga makahuna makaria mundu uria kwenda ni manyua kire makunywa makanana makariwa makwenda Ngai ni athuire mundu mwitei
Demuririkane na mavimbo shadi na Mordekai Demuririkane Ngai moigwara Demuririkane Ngarukoro diva Tumiane maeto yanige Shago tukatarira jeo bado magero
mandiko marauga ithuothe ni tuitiririo maguta angikorwo ni twitikitie Kristo na tukaumbira Kristo ni mwathani na tugakorwo turi horo-ini uyu wa Ngai ithuothe turiitiririe maguta where you has an anointing na anointing yo uhetwo ri it is not a priestly anointing, it is not a kingly anointing or a theodoric anointing, it is an anointing of itself where tondu gutire mundu ungihota kuruta wira wa Ngai gutire mundu ungihota kuwerewa kigo kia Ngai gutire mundu ungihota gwathikira maundu ma Ngai gutire mundu ungihota gwathikira kanitha kana mwiri wa Kristo atari no hakoyo ogwo ni wega tulirikanage ati we are all anointed and we can do all things through Christ who strengthen us no tuhota gwika maundu mothe to tureitiririe maguta
Sky Cable TV Kenya, be on the real.
DJ Fizz,
As we said, hata ilete shida bana tunajaa. Tusonge, piga share.
Sky can liberate the people.
What?
Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you.
Over here.
For a minute that they are with you, shall free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe for a minute they don't like you. Why try to make I unhappy? Really I don't know. If it was up to them, my friend, we would never see the sun or the snow. Through that mystical communication within, we keep on coming together. I love to see brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That's the way it should be, not contrary. Stop tearing down each other. Only Rasta free the people. Over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Don't believe 1 minute that they are with you. Jah free the people. Over hills and valleys too.
Hey.
Let them fool you. Don't believe.
It only took less than a day. Water wash their homes away.
They call him Israel Vibration.
While authorities clean up the mess. There's nothing much the people them could do. Flood water already passed through, causing major damage to land property and things in them storage. But here's the people that work so hard. Some rent, some lease, others buy them whole yard. Just as them start to feel comfortable, water come big trouble. Though so many die, for the most they are still alive. This is just a warning for the judgment that is to come. No one knows what the day might bring. It's best I say you do the right thing. No one knows what is hidden in the darkness. Give thanks I say, and your soldier will bless.
I love you. Say. Nakuambia manzi, kama uko na dema, unajua mwambie unampenda, this is your chance today.
How many times I told you I love you?
DJ Fizz, carry
And
on.
now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you?
Today.
Now you're gone. Do you remember that first night we met? That was a moment I never will forget. Love was at first sight, and you came walking through the pale moonlight. Pale moonlight. Do what you up, you up, do what you up, you up.
Are you ready?
Do what you up, do what you up. How many times I told you I love you,
Hey.
but now you want to say that we are through. What more can I do? What more can I say to you? Now you're gone. Cheerio, baby. Don't you know I love you?
Hey.
You don't believe it's true. What else is there for me to do? Look how long I've been waiting for you to come right in. Now that we are together, please make all my joys come over. Do you tell them how you cry whenever you're all alone? We both know for us there will never, never be another. So forget your foolish pride and let's get back together. Who cares who's right or wrong? Right or wrong? I just know I need you. And
Okay, story time, my guys.
I belong. Do you miss me a little bit?
Nataka story.
Cause I've been missing you.
Sasa niko hapa studio.
Yeah.
Tunaimba reggae na msiana Rasta. Tunamwambiaje?
Baby, if you take me back,
You don't have to do what?
you a fool.
Kwa sababu hiyo story. This is the place that we go. Hey, hey.
Miss me as I miss you. The only thing you try to do, making too much suffer. The only thing you try
Hata kama ura Rasta, you can't be a Rasta man. I'll see you. Hey.
Who cares who is right or wrong? Right or wrong? I just know I need you. And by your side, you don't have to try to be Rasta.
This is not a
dreadlocks thing.
Hey, hey.
Divine conception of the heart.
Mombasa nasema rudia.
Yeah.
They call me the legendary DJ Fiza. Introducing to you the new show called Generation X on Sky Cable TV every Friday from 4 p.m. Hey,
Don't have to try to be Rasta.
hauhitaji manywere.
Dreadlocks thing, divine conception of the heart. Well, you don't have to try to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlocks thing, divine conception of the heart.
DJ Fizz, Kaliwao.
Yeah, it's about to get lit here. Tuma shout out to Msei.
Let us stop this cultural diffusion, spreading fear and confusion.
Shikona kuona unasema Katambe.
Under the walls,
Hey,
losing what you're fighting for. Back, you need a double attack. Step back, here comes the shark attack. Back,
big up yourself Cynthia.
attack. Step back,
Hebu nitie watu wawili hapo, au sio?
what more do they want? They've got all they need. Yet they turn their backs and their hands that feeds them. Ooh yes, back, we need a double attack. Step back, here comes the shark attack. Back, we need a double attack. Step back, here comes the shark attack. Whoa, yes. Whoa, yes.
That's it. All these talk of hearsay and she say, oh,
DJ
there's no way.
Fizz, Kaliwao.
Really all I'm guilty of, girl, is loving you. For all the things they say and try to do to separate me and you, still I got enough love for you. Oh,
Msi hata kama ex amekutoka, manzete bu mwambie hivi.
no lies, no games, no fronting of a kind. You always be mine.
Unahitaji tu kuwa mpua, kuna haja ya kunitusi.
Come rain or shine, I love you for all.
You need a sema.
Be good to me,
And
I'll be good to you. Just be good to me. No matter what they say, this your love not share. Can't come between. Investing my time and trust in you is all I wanna do. Believe me, girl. Won't be denied or rejected by cheap words or what you may have heard. Still I've got it plenty, and for you my empress, yeah. My love will never run empty. We've got a touch that means so much. Come on, let's nice it up. Just be good to me. I'll be good to you. Just be good to me.
mwambie.
No matter what they say, this your love not share. Can't come between one talent of I to take to the sky with you by my side. So it's written, so must be done. Come on, let's have some fun. Man need woman and woman must have their mate. And you I can relate. Yeah, come on my love, let's get it straight. Yeah, just be good to me. I'll be good to you. Just be good to me.
Akikata kuwa mputa mwambie tunaenda wapi?
I say this your love now share.
Cheki, mwambie tunaenda anga huku.
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Jam rock, camp where the thugs and camp at. 2 pounder within a van back. It inna your handbag, your knapsack, it inna your backpack. This melody your girlfriend contact. Some boy not know this. Them only come around like tourists on the beach with a few club sodas, bedtime stories, and pose like them name Chuck Norris. And don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals are not back to. The thugs them way to where them got to. And won't think twice to shot to. Don't make them spot to. Unless you carry guns a lot to. A beer tough thing come at you when trench town man stop laugh and block off traffic. Then them will look pop off and them start dropping. With the pin file long and it a beat traffic.
I seen a girl around the corner, all it did is make me think.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
Missing you. Girl, feel like I can't take no more. I've been trying, but you won't take my clothes tonight.
I'm missing what? Turn everybody.
I messed up, but I fessed up. Thought a little time would bring you back. Now I'm a wreck.
Wakakunja isiyo.
So
Mwambie.
So tell me what to do or what to say to make it right. Cause I need your arms around me every night.
Angalia demu yako kwa macho mwambie.
You're worth a trillion.
Ati.
One in a million.
Hata milioni haitoshi.
I'll never find a woman like you.
It has to be Skat King Sweet House here.
If you would give back your heart, I swear by all love, I'd spend a lifetime making it up to you. Every night coming home to you. Oh, 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 oh,
Hey. What? Hey.
Hallelujah. Skanking, grooving. Hey, me jaja.
Bomba.
Skanking, grooving. Under pressure.
Ati nasikia msee ananiambia kita ex wake kutendaje. Utajaribu uone moto au sio?
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
No stay down, mama, time pick it up. No bother with the down, full style, strictly up, full vibes. Now pick it up when the bills, them, the rent and the mortgage due. Yeah, yeah. When me chalice, when your best friends are
Kijana mdogo najua iko rasu najua.
like a past.
Kijana mdogo sema. What?
Everybody wanna feel.
Airi.
Forget your troubles and you rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget your troubles and you rock with me. You know feel a reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet. For every pain there's a melody, yeah. For every trouble there's a harmony that brings everything together. So make we sing together. And who said life no order? And every man got their struggle. I beg you to help me, Lord, and let me overcome my troubles. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and rock with me. You know feel our reggae music sweet, yeah, yeah. Skanking sweet, everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and rock with me. You know feel our reggae music sweet, yeah.
Hey, everybody. As I told you, Nikunoma, my name is DJ Fizz House here. Keeping it cool up on Sky Cable TV, yeah. Nataka kubiga pwase hapa before aende. Andy, alright. Shosh, I see ya. Yangs wataona kuona. Yangs watatu unaniambia niitishe kwa bili yangu, niitishe nini? As I said, Generation X imekama. Na siku kama. Yeah. Keeping it real manzee. Kama unataka kushare hii kitu mzee, it's free au sio? Na kikosa buda. Emotional damage.
So if you're looking for me in a reggae party, me there in the corner. Me have a drink in a me left and a me right and have a spliff of marijuana.
Sit and talk, see it.
Bassline jumping on the rhythm, I feel wine up and a dance. Me just a wine to the rhythm and later you know what coming after. I tell you what, I don't know about you, but I can only live my life one way. All I wanna do every day is I just wanna smoke, drink, and love my girl to some reggae. I call her on the phone, tell her I'm coming up, so get ready. I got some weed and a bottle of booze. All I wanna do is smoke, drink, and love my girl to some reggae. It's been a long day, me just take G connection from California. And when me reach me touchdown, you know it hot like a sauna. And the taxi driver want to talk me here like me no know about choir. So when me reach me yard and me girl can say is what takes so long, yeah. I tell you what, I don't know about you, but I can only live my life one way. All I wanna do every day.
Everybody, say what, hey.
Drink and love my girl to Sunday. I call her on the phone, tell her I'm coming up, so get ready. I got some weed and a bottle of booze. All I wanna do.
Are you ready?
Smoke, drink, and my girl to Sunday.
Checky, this is why I'm here. I come to entertain. My name is DJ Finn, the legendary. This is Generation X. Seni Kubaya. Checky, mazeka moko na X. Sema. What? How much? Hey.
What I'm feeling when I hold you.
I dedicate this to someone special.
Heaven surrounds me. Every time you wrap your arms around me, and there's nothing I can say you'll ever do to deserve the love of a woman like you. When you're with me, when you kiss me, when you tell me how much you miss me. Every moment we're together brings us closer.
Nasikia nirudie. Hey. Alright. They call him Grants Morgan. Yay. Manzi leo tunachoma. None other like this. Alright.
DJ Fizz, mkali wao.
Have I shown you what I'm feeling when I hold you? It feels like heaven surrounds me. Every time you wrap your arms around me, and there's nothing I can say you'll ever do
ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth when me put the ganja. Babylon come and light it at a fire, me a chant. So I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth when they put the ganja. Babylon come and light it at a fire. Big stinking helicopter flow through the air. Where them call it weed eater. Them never did that when me was out in water, or when me did them flying fertilizer. Get out of the sky, them spitting fire. And I'm a little man with a hot temper. Me dig up me stinking rocket launcher. And in
watu wangu wa Facebook bana, si tuende pale YouTube. Tuende YouTube na kuambia mitambo itakatwa.
Deep down in the earth when me put the ganja. Babylon come and light it at a fire.
We say some ganja planter.
Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down in the earth when me put the ganja. Babylon come, yeah, children.
DJ Fizz, Kali Wow.
Why am I a Rasta man?
I want you say.
Many people see I, many people ask, why am I a Rasta man? But it is because of the Babylon and the situation. It's because of the Babylon and the situation. When I was a boy about 8 years old, there was a certain Rasta man, and he loved
Sasa cheki.
and he treated
Nasikia pati tunaambiwa
even the little
ukikosana na ex,
what we call a baby.
alafu wewe ni Rasta man,
And he gave us fruit and
you
trees.
know what to use. Afu unamwambia you still in love with her. Aye.
Many people see I, many people ask I, why am I a Rasta man? But he taught I the love to give to everyone.
I'm still in love with you,
Hatuwezi washa moto hivyo na unyamaze. Ni aje we, Tata Monica, seya.
DJ Fizz, Kali Wow.
Tata Monica niko na mutu na ni watu.
I'm still in love with you, boy. I'm still in love with you, boy. I'm still in love with you, boy. I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love with you. You don't know how to love me, not even how to kiss me. I don't know why I love you, baby.
Tata Monica Rima nitapata.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Everybody sing, say, hey, hey.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love with you. La 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 la. Na 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 na. I love you, baby.
If you ready, make we do it. And if you ready, make we do it. Do it for Jah. Make we do it for Rastafari. Make we do it.
Reggae roots and culture.
And if you ready, make we do it. Make we do it. And make we do it. Make we do it. And
Naona kuna Bishop huku. Yeah. Tunashika kila mahali. tuchafue, au sio?
Scratch it on. And another one. You got to give it a try. If you wanna fly. Circle.
Red Fox
Everybody, hey.
Skywalking.
Everybody skywalking.
Skywalking. That's what you do today.
Pick up yourself, Laura.
Skywalking.
Some of them skylarking.
Skywalking.
But we skywalking.
Before they stand up firm on their feet, get a little work, and earn your bread honestly. Begging you a 5 cent, sir. Begging you a 10 cent, sir. Cannot help, no cannot help. So if you keep on doing what you all are doing, you will end up in
Okay, nataka tutulie kidogo, au sio?
Don't want to work, but them want get paid. We want the yard, but them want come stay. Them beg it till them old and great. Just a run like a hamster and them not reach no way. We build the church and them still not pray. Put it in a verse, but a two them a play. Read up a verse, but the fool can't say. Why you listen, Mr. Foxy, man, your boss
begging
DJ.
you a 5 cent, sir. Begging you a 10 cent, sir. Cannot help, no cannot help.
Alright, struggle, summer struggle, cause them not work for nothing. Like them don't know for yourself, take life is a button. Sight my own, now want make me something. Them now want kill code, but them love their mutton. Belly wide open and I expose the glutton. Sleeping soldiers end up with nothing.
Alright.
Sleep on a bleach on the baker.
Kila moja tuone, kila moja tuone, kila moja.
So keep on doing what you all are doing, you will end up
Alright, hey.
Skylocking.
Alright. Sekiambia baby, don't worry. It's about to get lit, everybody. What? Ambia ex ati nini? Manzi ndo ufai kumwita wewe. Hey. Alright. Naona leo watu wanalala wapi? Ndani.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
It's not about me. Ini kwa sababu yenyu kila mtu na kiboma, rudia. on fire. Are you ready? Are you ready?
See, I don't wanna seem presumptuous. From your line of admirers, I stand first. Reggae music and you make a sweet combination. From the Crips, I requested the DJ keep the drinks in the bar flowing same way. There's a corner with our names written on it, which leaves this question I ask: would you be my main squeeze in this dance? Would you be my main squeeze in this dance? Press wallpaper tonight. Would you be my main squeeze in this dance? Make we ball rewind.
Flora, I see you. Pick up yourself, nimesalimika.
Press wallpaper tonight. Yes, it's your night. Tonight is your night. Yeah. You're an empress of true distinction. I wanna set the wheels in motion. Yes, you know, you don't know, you have my full attention. Hey, as sure as the sun follows moon.
Hey, Lady Kimani, we got ourselves.
With no time, there's a corner with our names written.
Pressure, the cure arena.
Would you be my main squeeze in this dance? Would you be my main squeeze in this dance? Say, would you be my main squeeze in this dance? Would you be my main squeeze in this dance?
DJ Fizz, Kali Wao. DJ Fizz, Kali Wao. On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
Bana, watu wananiibia microphone, wataki niongee. Alright, it's about to get later. Take it. What? Hey, fresh. I see ya. Hey. Wewe tata, niko na simu ni yako. Kwenda. Mimi naona sasa nimalize ama tuendelee.
I don't business who you are. As long as you are linked whenever I call you. Every man see your body instantly stardust. Girl, go and do your thing and love who you wanna. Cause I do business. Your boom boom, I your business. I
mind your business. Alright then, step your
Someday, my life I go get solved out. Yeah, someday, my life I go get solved out.
Me ready for you, girl. No matter what me say, me ready for you. I just one phone call. Me ready for you, girl. And when you call me, me ready for you. Don't ball. Me ready for you, girl. No matter what me say, me ready for you. I just one phone call. Me ready for you, girl. And when you call me, me ready for you.
If you feel like you have me wrapped up around your little
DJ Fizz, Kali Wow.
and everybody feel as if I you lick me chip.
Hakuna kukaa.
Program to you.
Ni kuona tukienda.
No one can love me and I'll be broken if you walk out. But anytime you decide to pack up your things and leave, don't come back. One, go. Don't come back. I won't cry. I'll be fine. Don't come back. Anytime you're ready, don't come back. Nobody make you do a richer where the good Lord split you. Don't come back. My queen, girl. Queen, girl. Never say somewhere to sell. Baby, you my queen, girl. My queen, girl. Queen, girl. Listen, kick a mademoiselle. Moi, quand je découvre, y'a envie de gars pas connaître. Faire voyager, m'énerve si y'a notre planète. Ou au fait, moi, j'ai y'a confiance, confiez-moi les manettes. Moi, qu'à promettre vous d'être honnête. Chantez bas, baby. Et l'automne minuit nous qui disparaître. Pouvez trouver nous tous les deux en tout intimidé. Martina y'en qu'à poster si internet. Somebody got some listen ram pam 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 ragadagadam spring bang badadang. Explosion consiste big bang. Moi aimé aussi me plus chaque minute chaque seconde bang badele bang. Ou c'est y'a queen et moi c'est king. You are my queen, my queen, girl.
DJ Fizz, Kali Wow.
Mwambie, hey. Maze nakuambia seti ya leo ni wazima.
Baby, ever since that day you went away, yes, I can't live without you.
Always on my
baby girl, you know you love me.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
Got to sing this song so you remember me. John Paul and David. I'm thinking about you. Bang, bang, bang. Girl, I miss you. Serious thing. Baby, ever since that day you went away, yes, I can't live without you. No way. Girl, you're always on my mind. Woman, I'm telling you the truth, yo. You're always on my mind. Baby, girl, always on my mind. You better touch this on you, yo. Girl, you're on my mind. So let me tell you, baby girl.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz. DJ Fizz, Kali Wow.
Cheki. Hivi ndo tunaendanga.
Such a short way up and such a long way down. And this is a bubble like where they are right down. The way you're something off it off your way by pound. In a fields of marijuana, that is my playground. I love you, Mary Jane. You're the I love you, Mary. I love you, Mary Jane. You're the prettiest of flowers, girl, I can't complain. When I'm with you, I feel so high, I rise above the rain. And you know the people damage like that bitch cocaine. No, I leave them lonely, feeling only pain. Cause your DNA is of the highest strain. Your effect is so potent, it's so insane. You so gummy and sticky like a plaster stain. When you grind out your body, only stems remain. And to love you is so risky, I might get detained. You always keep me flying on the highest plane. And anybody know will always proclaim. You really get what makes me high.
aje? Kuna swali unaulizwa wewe, Tata Monica, kuna mtu ananiomba namba au sio? Lazima tuwakilishe hii stage. Msemi naona masozi meenda, tuache ama tusiwache?
We've been together, baby, for a very long time. All kind of weather, rain and the sunshine. Now we reach another mountain and everything. Come falling, come.
Carol wa Dimple.
Many people try to play with.
Na kuona.
But if you know say this, I love this and the type of yeah. Me can't believe say that the one we love with this kind of.
DJ ako top sana, tuende sana, Karemash big
up. We live the life together, we look out for each other. Like ocean and the river, we run to one another. They can't stop we, they can't stop we. Nothing can stop we, nobody can stop we. So many want to see we fall, they want to see we fail. Put a bag of obstacles all along we love trail. They can't stop we, they can't stop we. Nothing can stop we now. Whenever you know me and you need me, call me and I'll be there.
Sema.
We're like a pen to a ledger, girl I'm not leaving.
When I'm lonely at tea.
Only when you need me,
call me, I'll be there.
Baby, we belong together, and I'm not leaving you. For so long I dreamt of being here by your side, down on my knees asking you to be my bride. Still enough for them I try to come and tell you bag of lies. Come falling, come tumbling down. Me never know say y'all be friend, I turn we enemy.
Sena kama uja like ipigia Sky Cable. What are you waiting for? Nikunoma.
Looking at you is like staring in the mirror. When the rain falls, girl, I'll be your umbrella. Them can't stop me, them can't stop me. Nothing can stop me, nobody can stop me. No other girl can make me feel like a Superman. Them just can't stop this and not this, them be understand. They can't stop me, they can't stop me.
Alright, turn the killer on to
whenever you lonely and you
guide me, hey, what you say?
Well, like a pen to a ledger, girl, I'm not leaving you. My one and only. When you need me, call me and I'll be there. I see baby, we belong together, and I'm not leaving you.
I leave my house and the day is dawning. I give thanks, it's a beautiful morning.
What you say, hey?
It's fresh and the streets are yawning as the clock.
In India, my babies. Hey.
And there you are again, standing at the corner in your world again.
You know.
Bouncing to the beat.
Ukipatana msichana kwa stage.
See you in my dreams.
Siacha aibu kwenda huko, hey.
Cause I really, really like you.
What you say?
There's something about you.
Is that true?
Don't you think so too?
Amsiatiki bamba tunarudia au sio? Hey.
Hey, Sarah Luga in the place.
DJ Fizz, Kaliwao.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I see you looking my way every day, you know.
Ready to rock? I leave my house and the day is dawning. I give thanks, it's a beautiful morning. Air is fresh and the streets are yawning as the clock ticks, heat is crawling in. And there you are again, standing at the corner in your world again.
You know.
Bouncing to the beat. Excuse me, sir, please. I see you in my dreams. I wanna get to know you. Cause I really, really like you.
Is that so?
There's something about you.
Is that true?
Don't you think so too? Don't you? Cause I really, really like you. There's something about you. Don't you think so too?
Girl, you're mine.
DJ Fizz, Kaliwao.
Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Sure, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run? Looking back, shorty, always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention. She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
DJ Fizz, Kaliwao.
watu wananizimia microphone kwenda. Yeah.
When I look into your eyes, I wanna fly, but I don't got the wings to fly. So you know where you fit.
Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to. Call on me. Baby girl, I want you. We grew together from way back when she was 9 and I was 10.
Flora, ati kumewaka eh. Au sio kawake? Hey.
Yeah. Now we're two grown folks. Years gone by and we still keep close. Loving me, I'm loving her.
Yeah, yeah, hey.
I just want you to know that I love you so. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is
One set of footprints in the sand, and you were rumble and a music it should have been two. Remember one thing, me, a father God of the plan. So when you see one set of footprints, I gotta carry you.
Hurry up and come back was the last thing she said to her son. The day his life was taken, she didn't know he wouldn't come back. He died from the bullet of a gun, and now her little boy's gone. She said, help me, Lord, help me. Then she looked up to the sky, and she heard a voice reply. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. Another baby left homeless, abandoned when he was 2.
Manze Dr. Monica, thanks for the advance.
Shopping.
Wananisukumia watu.
Family he knew.
Laura, big up yourself, manze, thanks.
Blessed.
Support is real.
Do what you have to do. And he did.
Unaweza Twitter tukuja tu wipe side yako. Usiogope. Sky Cable TV.
Help me.
What you say? Hey.
Father, help me. And he looked up to the sky, and he heard a voice reply. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along with you. When you cry, I cry. I cry along with you. When you smile, I smile. I smile along.
DJ Fizz, mkali wao.
And it's those days, yeah. Remember the songs used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. Yeah. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again, doing just the same. Yeah. Now I feel it in my heart. We in such a golden night at the bar. Yeah. Now there's hardly any safe place left to go. Someone's bound to come and try to spoil the show. Remember the songs that used to make you rock away. Those were the days when love used to rain. Yeah. We danced all night to the songs they played. We can come again. We do it just the same. I know they wanna come and separate us, but they can't do us nothing. You're the one I want, and I'ma continue loving. 'Cause you're considered wifey, and I'm considered husband, and I'ma always be there for you. Either way you look at it, I ain't going nowhere for my muffin. She gon' hold it down, ain't nobody tell her nothing. We got the kind of love that always make up after fussing, and that's what gets me closer to you. Ain't no one
Everybody, hey. Manze cheki wacha niwape siri. Kama unataka show inaenda straight, tupatane pale YouTube at Sky Cable TV. So unajua tu copyrights lazima watu wangushe. Wanajua the legendary DJ Fiza anawakilisha. Bacheki. Ena pale YouTube Sky Cable TV. Tuende tukue pamoja. Tukue pamoja. Lakini sasa nataka tu dedicate kitu kwa mzee moja. To all the ladies in the house. Nataka kuwa dedicate hii song. Manzenyi ni watu wa nguvu. I'm let down. Lakini my boys. Wewe
amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman.
Say ati nini? Big up to all women in the house.
The gift of life
DJ Fizz, mkali wao.
Give it up for the woman. She's the constant wind that fills my sail. Oh, that woman. With a smile and a star, she'll protect you like a child. That's a woman. She'll put a smile upon her face and take you to the higher place. So don't you underestimate the strength of a woman. Woke up this morning, I got up with a scent of a woman. Just picture if you would what life would be. Ain't much good without a woman. She can nag and be a constant pain. Oh, that woman. But those hips, she's got me whipped, and it's just too hard to resist. What a woman. Hey, she'll put a smile upon her face and take you to the higher place. So don't you underestimate the strength of a woman. Strength of a woman.
DJ Fizz, mkali wao.
Right now, say they wanna break free from all them chain and them shackle and them bangle way a rockle gonna break free. Say they gonna break free from all them chain and them shackle and them mental strain. Can't take the pressure from the brain. Oh no, it's been a while since we've been living like this, slaving in our mind, taking program like a chip, and it's not right. When you can't make a choice, how can it be for me and you decide? Oh no, I wanna take control, live my life and play my role. Oh no, don't try hold me down, at the fire burning now. Say they wanna break free from all them chain and them shackle and them bang.
Alright. Tukiwakilisha. This how we do it. My name is DJ Fizz. Keeping it real on Sky Cable TV.
Can't take no pressure from the brain. Oh baby. Talk about love.
Everybody,
Talk about trust. Talk about forever, baby. Talk about us. I give you my word. Stick to my guns. Believe it when I say it, baby. It's just begun. You don't understand, oh girl, the full intent of my plan. But baby, I wanna be
your soul. Buddha, kama mwimbi siendelee.
And baby, I wanna stay that way.
Okay, mnaniangalia sana. This is yours.
Got a big bright smile, but my days are dark. Hungry till I can barely walk. Oh, too much to look on my face. No.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
Only God knows how I get by. Oh, too much to look on my face. No. She's the sweetest thing that you've ever seen. Selling her body wasn't in her dreams. No. Too much to look on her face. No. No, because we have a pleasant look. If you don't know the story, don't judge the book. Please don't. No, watch the look on my face. No. Even though I smile, it is only for a while. Tears can feel the
Tena kuambia nikiamuka.
but I sweep my troubles underneath.
After nimetoka kuota.
Yes, I'm
Manze, it's a very bright day.
though it's only for a while.
Na vile tunafanya hapa,
Worry subside.
tunakuzimia.
Sweep my
Tuzime
troubles
sima.
underneath
I'll
my
see ya.
Out comes the sun, shining on my face again. Grades get me high so I can meditate. Dreams of brighter days. Highest grades we blaze.
That's a Monica. Pitia watu ama tupatane YouTube. Hey.
Giving thanks.
On YouTube, you are Sky Cable TV. Kenya.
As I puff on my window and glance through my window, I realize there's no turning back. Got to complete life's journey, though things get contrary. Got to make it to the top. See, I'm searching for a way to survive. Working so hard, I know Jah will provide. See, I'm keeping my head high. Mama tell me the limit is the sky.
Dreams of brighter days. Highest grades we blaze. Dreams of brighter days.
Samuel Maina, big up yourself. Hebu itoa watu. Yaitoa kuja tujiwaombe pamoja.
Burden everybody, still a struggle. Weary but no watch his true face when we have on. Real soldiers keep standing. Now give up the fight. No.
Check in your link hapo. Link ya YouTube, tupatane YouTube. Huku waikatiki. Hey.
Oh no.
Dreams of brighter days. Highest grades we blaze. Dreams of brighter days.
Unakumbuka hizi nyambo?
Summer nights always gonna be around. Summer nights always gonna be around. Summer nights always gonna be. So I write days down because summer nights always gonna be around. Summer nights always gonna be around. Summer nights always gonna be. Love struck. I'm here writing pages by my dumb luck. I haven't felt this way in ages, but I found a reason to enjoy this season. Straight off of a page out of my diary, I see my summer love and its reality.
Okay, skiza. Tunaenda hivi. Tunaenda. Hey.
The sun goes down. Summer nights always gonna be around. Summer nights always gonna be around. Summer nights always gonna be. So I write days down because summer nights always gonna be around. Summer nights always gonna be around.
Everybody, hey.
Could it be because you're good to me?
Remember to pin link hapo kwa page. A producer. Pin the link hapo kwa page tuingie YouTube sisi wote. Alright. Let's keep it real up with reggae. My name is DJ Fizz the Legend. I'll see ya.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
There's no other place like Sky Cable TV. Keeping music alive. Hey. Mazianda katukubiga kwa wasi wawili watatu. Hey.
She can't score and I say she don't wanna be a player no more. Been with so many men and I you them ignore. But I'm a different man from all the one them you been with before. I'm the man to make you happy, eat your pain cause you are hurt. Put your first in my life and when them dish your dirt. Baby let me give you comfort with all of the loving where you need and all the money that you work hard. Baby let me be the man to factor you down. Me know you're tired of running around. Loving me give you fair plus run with the clown. Let me be the man to factor you down. So you can meet me at the outside and you go. Me know you're tired of running around. The search is over, the right man you found. Let me be the one to fake you. Look at you like you wanna that this little girl again. Look how long me know you're more than just a friend from you again. Stop pretend, make up your mind and be a lover then. From your past me take your life, pretend so better future therapy girl. I'm not here to judge you, this is not a trial. Why? Every girl always want to be the liar.
Oh girl, I need you with my life. Sometimes no stares you in the face, but you're caught up and cannot see it all. Whoa, this time not gonna hesitate, oh girl, I'm gonna go and give it my all. Girl, I try my best to hide it, but I'm hiding. Tell me how can I deny that I'm so into you? Girl, I try to stay away, but love keeps calling. Let's put it out in the open, confessions all over you.
Come here in Jamaica, so many people still up by Rasta. Tell me how.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
Aya yo. Meenda YouTube tukuje. Hey. It's about to get late. Tukiendanga usia.
Yo, tell me how come here in Jamaica, so many people still up by Rasta. Tell me how come don't I East West them never chat be the man, but them chat sister. Tell me how come people left up on the street, no people of the Prime Minister. Tell me how come those in power don't seem to care. It's cause life is so unfair. In this sweet paradise, this is what we swear. Out of many one people, can you see that anywhere? Yeah, we want really one, and this is why so many die, leaving so many to cry. Tell me how come there's so much guns in the streets and none of them gun they never make that. Tell me how come hate is spreading wild, taking over this sweet paradise of Jamaica. Tell me how come the dollar value's going down and everything's going up around town. Tell me how come all the hand to get gone down. 'Cause life is so unfair. In this sweet paradise, this is what we swear. Out of many one people, can you see that anywhere? Yeah, we want really one, and this is why.
Man's I can't believe the time is getting over.
No
yeah.
surrender.
Come on.
No, 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 no. When the tears done, even your name she won't remember. And it's all for
Cheki. Ukiwa na bibi yako hivi ndio si ufanya.
I wanna wake up beside you. Wake up beside you. Girl, you know I'm longing for your touch. Love, you know I miss you so much. Girl, I wanna wake up beside you. Wake up beside you. Girl, you know I'm longing for your touch. You know I'm missing you so much. Oh. Martin Luther Black.
Yeah, wase. Mimi niko hapa na shida moja. Manze, it's getting hot in here na nachikiwa siwaoni bana, mko wapi? Tata Monica, big up yourself. Nataka kubig up Flora and because of everything yenye na come real in the show. Manze, this is the first time Sky Cable tunachafua reggae na DJ Fizz, au sio? Hii show inaitwa Generation X na manze tukimalizia. This is how we do it. Manze, big up yourself. Let's free up ourselves. Kwenye Black Man sema
Martin Luther
Black,
Malcolm X
Black,
Marcus Garvey Black,
Tata Monica Black, everybody, hey.
Bill Clinton Black. How you think about that? How will leave a great, some of the greatest people in African history document that. So free up black people, live up black people. Are you not jail or someone feel like people? Mental shackles and chain in the brain, them chop people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jail or someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in the brain, them chop people. Yeah, my point is, the meek shall never the earth and me no matter what the fight is. And it was written long before the 80s or the 90s, before the colonel find the herbs and spices. Black people don't get caught in a them system. Just overcome and don't become a victim. Cause them system set for them get the future and the history we get. So free up black people, live up black people. Are you not jail or someone feel like people? Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jail or someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them chop people.
I
can't believe it. Government want me move me. I turn refugee in my own country. But a long, long time me live here so can't go no way. Them really take poor people for food. Them really take poor people for food. Somebody land.
Everybody say.
Where you get a system you from? Boy, the ones that don't poor people land. Don't know some enough vote again, no sir. The MP don't give a damn. Where you get that system you from? Both say me live on Scotland. Joe, me don't rich like Matalan, no sir. Me a born Jamaican. Me nah have nowhere to go. Me born and me grow just so inna the ghetto. Bigger heads, make you apply now. Me can't buy a house up a cherry garden. Ashes to ashes, and dust to dust. The tribulation inna the ghetto is a must. Never qualify for a housing trust. Cause me lose all of my money in a cash box. But me know say me a born Jamaican. Me dey a from slavery as a African. Somebody tell me where Matalan come from. We own so much land in our island. Tell me it's a chill, go back to Japan. Cause Jaja make ya for the black man. From
alright,
to Nick
Kifuga. Hey, hey.
Oh, it's a Babylon. Where you get the system you from? Oh, most of them poor people land. Don't know some enough vote again, no sir. The MP don't give a damn. Where you get the system you from? Oh, some live on Scotland. Joe, don't rich like Matalan, no sir.
Tell me who is gonna pick up the pieces of my heart.
Everybody say.
Sounds good, and I don't wanna stop. Tell me who is gonna pick up the pieces of my heart. My soul is dying and my everything is gone. Just like a broken guitar, you leave me in the back of the room. I give you a
Big up everyone who was watching. And then Ashukuro. My name is DJ Fizz.
You show me the time.
The protagonist.
Don't tell me
Yeah.
when I'm right.
I'm the one
And girl,
and only.
for the feeling, and I wish you were here by my side.
The very love of my life, she's gone away, holding my pillow at night. Girl, I wish you were here. Who did say big man don't cry? But me almost shed a tear. It hurts so bad, it's hard for me to be. Tell me who it's gonna pick up the pieces of my heart. Cause I'm still hurt, and I don't want that stop. Tell me who it's gonna pick up the pieces of my heart. My soul is dying every day. You never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you. You never find no one in this lifetime. So never mind, let time unwind. Baby, lay your head to rest, baby. Let us put love to the test, baby. And let love lead the way if we believe. Join our hearts, mind and souls, keep us together. You never find no one in this lifetime to love you like I do. So never mind things that people say that I'll never hurt you. Be careful of the things that you do when you're on your way. Life is like a game, but be careful when you play. Be careful of your company and don't get led astray. Yes, everyone's in, but no one wanna pay the wages. Nobody wanna pay the wages. But it's a journey for everyone, the tens and the ladies, even down to the babies. Yes, everyone's in, but no one wanna pay the wages. Nobody wanna pay the wages. But it's a journey for everyone, the gents and the ladies, even down to the babies. Well, mister, this is a journey where every man have to walk. The only problem is I don't know if it's up like how it dark. Matter how you rich, you educate to die, you're smart. It's a one road. Nobody can bypass on the road, yeah. You have to try empty and I just alone. You can't walk with no man, yes sir. Reality don't think I illusion. Don't forget that it's a one-way street. Hey, yes, everyone's in, but no one wanna pay the wages. Nobody wanna pay the wages. But it's a journey for everyone, the gents and the ladies, even down to the babies. Yes, everyone's in, but no one wanna pay the wages. Nobody wanna pay the wages. But it's a journey for everyone, the gents and the ladies, even down to the babies. You face reality, so what food have to make you face reality. You can't live without breath, you face reality. So every journey starts with a step to face reality. So life come with them, but guess what? Me read my Bible and me set my mind at ease. John 3 verse 16, me read and believe. And don't to forget the wages of sin of death. If you never sin, you're the ruler, you're not fit to guess everyone's sin. But no one wanna pay the wages. Nobody wanna pay the wages. But it's a journey for everyone, the gents and the ladies, even down to the babies. Yes, everyone's in, but no one wanna pay the wages. Nobody wanna pay the wages.
This how
but
we do
it's a
it,
journey for everyone, the gents
this
and the
boy I want
ladies,
more too.
even down to the babies.
Alright. Yeah, as we come to the end of the show, my name is DJ Fizz, the one and only. I'm a DJ Fizz, the protagonist. Checky.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
She will give me anything.
If you know tunamaliza
for me I work.
Checky, see you next Friday.
She said me deserve it. Yeah. She give me anything I need. For me I search fit. I know my girl is perfect.
Alright. I don't think you people are ready for that. Checky, as we go home, Checky, this is how we do it here on Sky Cable every Friday. My name is DJ Fizz. Tupatana hapa next week on Friday from 4 p.m. hadi 6 p.m. Sawa.
On the ones and twos is DJ Fizz.
She will give me anything I want. For me I work fit. She said me deserve.
Next time Nikumoto. What?
And she give me anything I need. For me I search fit. I know my girl is perfect. Yeah, she was born in Jamaica, prettiest girl on the land. She knew about me before me know her, and she chose me to be her man. She paid for me go Europe, America, Africa, my motherland. And she don't stress me, she check.